scary.
Ooh! Ooh!
There's a movie
Oh,
called
bird! Hi guys!
Coming soon, the drone.
And now we're going to Habbit. We buy for dinner. Habbit for dinner tonight. Okay guys. And I want to show you. Here have a lot of snow. To show you guys what it look like here. There
It's
is.
dark though. Dark.
Yep, there is. The tree have no more leaves.
That's how scary.
Ooh! Oh, look at that bird!
There's a
A
movie.
lot of bird. See?
That's pretty scary.
Ooh! Ooh!
There's a movie
Oh,
called
bird! Oh, bird flies. So that,
House.
look at the house. It's a lot. There is the bird. No.
They're gonna attack.
Ooh.
Look at that house.
Look at that house. A balat of a bird there.
That's like it looks like glass garage door. Shut it. It's available. They have these monster homes behind you.
See the bird? That bird is look like bird in Philippines.
Blackbird.
We call that is in Philippines is uwak. Uwak. Blackbird here
No
in
lock. They're
America.
building on now. Look.
Yep.
There you
Oh,
go.
the building
That
now.
was the one you wanted.
There he is.
It's available though. Well, they almost took the driveway though.
So nice the house here.
Yep.
But almost 1 million. So expensive. Ta-da! Look at here. Have no people walking. Oh, have one people there.
Oh, there's the mailbox.
You get a mailbox. Here is the people all in the house. Because so cold. There you go. So nice here. But a lot of money.
Wait for a recession. That's when you come in and you buy one.
To hold the house is make a cheaper too.
Yep.
Look at that.
A lot of birds down
Is
this
the
area.
bird there. There's so many birds. And there is the mountain. Oops. Because yesterday is snowing
And this morning.
and this morning snowing.
Now it's like warmed up. It's supposed to be some rain later tonight.
Yep, and now look at that result to the snow. Have a lot of
Look how dirty.
snow. So big now the tree here.
Springtime's coming. Month and a
Yes.
half. All the leaves be coming out.
It's coming up. All the trees here is up. Not all.
They bloom. All the
Up.
leaves, new leaves come out.
Yeah.
Philippines are out all the time.
Yep.
Oh, it's 'cause it's hot all
All
the time.
year. Rainy and sunny. Have storm. A lot of
There's a perfect lot
Rain.
of houses. Look,
in the
Flat.
plot.
it's easy to build.
Yep. Ta-ra! Got that. Big house.
Is it on?
Yep.
Here we are. Farmington.
Here, RJ. There he is, almost now in the mountain. In Farmington, there he is. Oh, have other subdivision here.
Now that the highway's not coming through.
Yep,
Yep, look at that.
yep. A lot of house to put there. Utah is growing.
There's the car path right there.
Yep. Have a lot of
That's a
brand
hard hat
new
area.
house. In the top, honey, have look like have no snow there. See?
because
Yeah, but look at.
it's warm too. 39 degree now.
Ta-da!
To get through these back roads.
Yeah.
If you live back here and you want to get to the highway, it's a lot of driving.
Why?
Because we're both busy.
Farmington. This is Farmington, guys. Expensive here. Maybe 20-30. Fill up down lang.
By then,
Oh, there's the
horses.
horse. Little horse. Horse!
Almost at the Habbit.
Almost now in the Habbit.
Well,
Hi. I'm here, guys.
Water.
Oh, why so
why is
many
the
water?
Tootsie Roll made you thirsty?
Must be filled up to the all the way.
Almost the Habbit.
Maybe a mini burger.
There is the Farmington Station.
University of Utah.
Yep.
It's water.
And there's the town
water.
home.
Medical
Help.
Center.
Was that a university? That one?
No, it's a medical center.
Oh, medical center.
Medical what?
Sponsored by University of Utah.
Is that a doctor place?
Where is it?
Or is it a football place for practice?
And here is the restaurant. Have a lot of restaurant here. Have noodles. Have
The
Habbit.
hotel.
And there is the Habbit,
The
guys.
Hyatt Place Hotel.
And here's the hotel. If you want hotel, there is. And have a Starbucks there. Have a lot here. Tea, mobile, have there. Okay, guys, we here now. And
Bye.
Daddy go inside. I just wait here. Ajay, you go inside too?
Yep.
Yep, you're good.
Okay.
What do you want on? No radio?
Yeah.
No key? Nothing? Silent?
Okay.
Yeah.
Window shut?
Turn on.
Yep.
Turn on news.
No window. Good. You know what?
Okay.
Double char?
Yep. Careful,
Look
Ajay.
what I wasted.
Careful, Ajay. Okay, go now.
Leave all the water in there.
Okay, go now, Ajay.
Bye-bye.
Be safe. And there is the Habbit, guys. There he is walking to the Habbit. I'm just waiting here, guys, because I'm lazy. I'm lazy to get out. It's so cold. Here's the Habbit. Habbit. Oh, there's gummies. Look at that. Gummies. Wow, three gummies.
I'm like,
No.
none for you.
Give me one. There's a burger, guys. Okay.
Mommy,
Let's go now.
okay. See ya.
It's the Habbit. Habbit. Bye-bye, Habbit. And there's the view. And here is the
Farmington Station.
Farmington Station.
Farmington Freight.
Columbia.
All here is a restaurant, the shopping store, H&M, Columbia, what we call Old Navy.
There's
here.
Old Navy.
There H&M there, and Old Navy here.
There's H&M.
Yep.
HMM.
H&M, RJ. because so cold outside. There he is.
Left.
Apple.
Apple store.
Apple store. It's okay here.
Apple.
No, I need it. Here is the Apple store.
The Apple computer.
Yeah, there is.
Always
a lot of
people there.
there.
That's why their stock is number 1 in the world. They're doing well.
The ski, what they call this
Ice
here?
skating.
Ice skating.
Mhm.
There's the ice skating. There is concert. Have no concert
in the
on the summer, RJ.
Have to come back.
And there is all the restaurant here. And they're close to the mountain. Nice this here. If nighttime, it's a lot of Christmas light in the tree.
There's the Best Buy way in the distance.
Oh, there is the Best Buy, the brand new Best
And
Buy.
mommy wants an Xbox.
Xbox.
What?
I want to be a gamer, Ajay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, you're not allowed to touch it though. Mommy's.
It's not yours, Mommy, RJ.
Well, you gonna touch it?
Old Navy, there is Old Navy, and the hotel there. Here you go.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you didn't have this.
What's okay?
Only one piece of the burger.
You eat?
I ate the rest.
Boy, oh boy.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
So traffic here, so big the truck.
Okay, let's go to the
Of course,
Best
stick
Buy.
out. That's the problem.
There
There's the
is.
playground. Here comes the rain. They said it was gonna rain.
It's raining. My goodness.
41 degree. It was 26 this morning.
Yep.
Charging stations are open.
Yep. I eating the gummy burger, RJ.
You're eating it? You opened it?
Give me.
Oh, I give it to you.
No, only one piece of the burger.
Yep. There is the playground there.
Till
Okay,
next time.
guys, that's it.
Till next time.
I never seen.
We're not going to this. Oh, a gas station. That's there too.
Harmon's.
Yeah, brand new.
Well, the Harmon's gonna move over there.
Wow. No, I not move that there.
What's that over there?
Building, I not know what's that
The
there.
tall building. See the name on it?
I cannot
That
read.
says
So
RJ
far away.
is the best.
What does it say way on top?
I cannot read.
Can't either.
Don't open,
Brand new place. We don't even know what it is.
don't open this.
Okay, guys,
Oh,
that's
God.
it for today. If you like it,
Mama.
You're
smash
excited.
that subscribe button and see you next time. Bye bye.